talk to you real quick.
I ain't did nothing, bro.
What's your name?
I ain't did nothing.
What's your name?
Yeah, tripping, bro.
What's your name?
What's your name?
I swear to God, bro. I just came from the spot.
Hey, give me your arm. Give me your
I just came
arm.
from get some snacks, bro. I ain't
Gotcha. All
did
right.
nothing.
Understood.
I swear to God, I just came from the house. I just came from the house.
What's your name, man?
Hey, oh, I swear to God, I just
What's
came
your
from the
name?
house.
Relax. What's your
going
name?
on? I just came from the hospital. Look at my papers right here. I swear to God, bro. I
What
ain't
is
did
your
nothing.
name?
I swear to God, I ain't did
What is
nothing.
your
I just
name?
came from the house.
Bro,
Please, I just
what
came
is your
from the
name?
house. Please, I just came from the house.
What's your
That's all
name?
I
I know.
did.
Tell me your
I
name.
just came from the house. I ain't did nothing there,
Tell
bro.
me your name.
I did Michael. Michael, I haven't did nothing. I swear to God, I just came from the house. I got my
what?
snacks.
Michael what?
Loud. I ain't got nothing. I did nothing.
Michael Lowry?
Yes,
What's your date of
I
birth?
ain't did nothing. I ain't did nothing. I ain't did nothing. I just came from the house.
What's your name, man?
I just came from the house.
Okay, what's your name?
You're
That's him.
exactly who we're looking for.
That's who it is.
No, I ain't did
Yeah.
nothing. I ain't did
Your
nothing,
name?
sir.
What's your name?
I ain't did nothing, sir.
What's your name?
I ain't did nothing, sir.
What's your name?
I swear to God, I ain't did nothing. I ain't did nothing.
Relax.
I ain't did
Listen
nothing.
to me. You got a warrant.
I ain't did nothing. I
Hey,
haven't did nothing.
calm down, man.
Please, I haven't did nothing.
Okay.
I haven't did nothing.
You got a warrant.
I
Relax.
swear to God, I ain't did nothing.
Relax.
Please let me call my people.
Relax.
Please.
Relax.
Please let me call my people. I haven't
Stop.
did nothing.
Hey,
Stop.
before you go on the ground.
Please,
Stop.
please,
I'm telling you right now.
please,
Lock him up.
please,
Let's get him in
please,
the car.
please, please.
Relax.
Please, can I call my people? Can I call my girlfriend, please?
Put him in your car real quick.
Please, can I call my girlfriend? Can I call my girlfriend? Can I please call my girlfriend? Please, can I call my girlfriend? Call my girlfriend, please. I haven't did nothing. I haven't did nothing. I promise I haven't did nothing.
I'm gonna put some shackles on.
I didn't did nothing. I promise. Can somebody please call my girlfriend?
Relax.
Please call my girlfriend. I haven't did nothing. I just came to get some snacks, man.
Got a warrant.
One for what?
Yeah, go ahead, radio.
One for what? Please. Please call my people, please, man.
Yeah,
Please.
radio. This is gonna be our 83.
Please, can y'all call my... Can I please call my folks, please? I haven't did nothing.
Listen, bro. If you relax, I'll let you make a phone call. But if you keep acting like this, you ain't gonna make a phone call till you get to Fulton County. So it's up to you.
What, please?
So it's up to you.
For?
If you chill the fuck out, then I'll tell you what you're wanted for.
Oh my God, I haven't did nothing. I haven't did nothing at all. I haven't
seat.
did nothing.
Have a
man.
seat.
Please, y'all just call my people, my girl, please. I haven't did nothing. Please, man, can I just call my people, please? I haven't did nothing.